Hello students, welcome to the lesson 2nd, Angles. Today we are going to see how to use geometrical instruments to construct geometrical figure. Now we will see how to draw an angle bisector using a compass. By using this step of construction, we can draw an angle bisector. Let's start with first step. First step is draw an angle ABC of any measure. So, first we draw ray BC in this way. This is ray BC. Now, by using protractor, we have to draw angle. Here, we draw an angle of measure 80 degree in this way. This is ray BA. This point A, this is B and this is C. This is angle of measure 80 degree. Now next, place the point of a compass on a point B and with any convenient distance, draw an arc to cut rays BA and BC. So, taking some distance in compass and draw arc to cut ray BA from point B in this way and to cut ray BC from point B in this way. Third, name of the point of intersection as P and Q. Therefore, this is our point P and this is Q. Next, place the point of the compass at point P and taking a convenient distance, draw an arc inside the angle. So, taking some distance and draw arc from point P. In this way, we can draw arc from point P. Similarly, we can draw arc from point Q in this way. Next, name the point of intersection as point O. This is our point of intersection. Point O. Last step is draw ray BO. By joining point B and O, we get ray BO. This is ray BO. This ray BO is the bisector of angle ABC. Here, measure of angle ABO and measure of angle OBC is same. In this way, we will draw an angle bisector using compass. I hope you understand this construction. Thank you.